These are solar light pavers. So paver lights that you're gonna put in between your bricks, dig them in, and they will just use the sun to charge them up and then watch them at nighttime. It's gonna illuminate your walkway. They're quality made. You can get them in different packs. This is the 6-pack. And it gives you a 50 lux light level. They're strong, so yeah, you can walk on it like you would the other bricks, and they fit nicely in between those bricks, just the right height. Looks like it has a little bit of grip to it as well. Just look at how it looks at nighttime. It just lights the way, and especially if you know that you're gonna be putting pavers down in a certain spot, these would be great to get. Put them like every few different bricks so you can kind of light it up as you go. Definitely different ways to be creative with it. Just has that warm white light to it, very inviting, really nice and pleasant to look at as you're walking up like a walkway to go inside. So great quality. They look awesome, very fancy, very premium, and I highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.